All right, so I want to address some shit. There's a lot of people nowadays that are, not even nowadays, just lately, that have been saying that they don't believe Macklemore should have won what he did at the Grammys. And I don't understand this at all. People are saying he's whack, he has no talent, but I don't understand how 90% of mainstream hip hop nowadays is lacking lyrical ability. You're going to tell me that Kanye and Jay-Z and Lil Wayne are the best rappers out there. That's not true. It's all based on what's catchy nowadays. The Heist blew up. It had great songs on it. That all aside, and even aside from the fact that Macklemore said himself that Kendrick should have won that award, you guys are throwing out the whole point that an album which spoke out against having to have the most expensive clothes to look cool, an album which another song spoke out on having a drug addiction and overcoming it to make something of your life, another song which flat out told people you don't need to be judging people based on their sexual preference, an album that is full of good messages should have won an award. It doesn't matter if you think it was the best or not, it was a monumental album. That's my 2 cents on it. I really don't. I feel like y'all hate him because he's white and weird than what really happened with music and ability. 90% of the whole scene is lacking ability. It's not a good argument.